This is my review of the Lamicall phone stand. This is an adjustable phone stand. This is the silver variant. You can adjust it up, you can adjust it down. It has a very strong hinge. That's what I like about it. You can put a phone or a tablet on here and it holds both the same. I'm going to put this phone on here, and it's a pretty big phone, and you can see that it holds it up without slowly falling down. And you can adjust it down, still works. It has these holes at the back, and if you want to charge it, all you have to do is feed the cable through and then plug it in, and then you can watch your phone while it's still on the stand, which is really convenient. I want to show you some other features of the stand. It has these paddings on here, so your phone doesn't get scratched. Let's say you don't have a case. It also has a padding here and here, but those have been worn off because I've had the phone for a while, but it doesn't scratch. It also comes with paddings at the bottom, but those have worn off as well. But overall, it's very good stand. Even with those paddings worn off, it doesn't scratch the phone. It does a good job. It does what it's supposed to do, which is hold up the phone.